briefly about the third capability of the platform, which is called package management. You might be familiar with package, what package is. It's basically external library code snippet that you can use in your application. And we designed the entire distribution mechanism. It's not live yet. It will be live probably by September. But the idea is that anyone can publish any code, right? Let's say code snippets, maybe some cool widgets, and that's what we've done. So here you can see those widgets are private. They're not publicly available. They're available just at this point, just inside of 4J. But the package manager itself, it's the amazing and effective distribution mechanism. When we at 4J, we're going to create multiple packages like libraries, code snippets, application examples, and advanced UI UX widgets, or you can call them web components. Technically, in 4GL code, you call them web components, but web component is a little bit different things. But anyway, those are widgets, right? And using package management, you can take a look at those widgets, what you can do. That's a native thing for Genero, right? You can install those widgets and you can connect those widgets to your applications, Genero 4GL applications, right? So we have README, we have the user guide, how to install and how to do things. So we already have, and I'm going to show you those examples, like lots of cool things. And we build those widgets using our MCP server to help us to build Genero applications, right? Okay, 3 major capabilities: documentation assistant, MCP server with curated knowledge that helps your agents to write code, refactor the code, create new features, optimize the code, and so on and so on. And package management.